One of my partners about to pull up on me. Justin, he about to show me some of the work he just got through doing. Just wanted to give you his information in case you need some done. If you're local, or if you're not local, he'll come get it. But this is number here, 256-354-7572 in Dakota, Alabama. He do LS swaps, custom suspension, wiring, basically anything got to do with the drivetrain. He can take care of you. I'm gonna leave his information in the description in case you want some done.
What's going on?
What's happening? It's more here clean, huh? What you finished up with? What up under the hood?
Hell, I just done the back.
That's some 26s. What you had did to it?
I narrowed the rim.
Oh, okay.
We got them sediments
okay, that's all you did.
so they don't fit on shit.
Okay, I thought you had did something to the motor too.
Nah, I ain't doing nothing. Had to cut like 2 inches off each side of the rim.
Ooh, I can't even get up under it and see. Yeah, they did this one here up here. Yeah, that's so clean. Got them kicker LSMs up in here. Yeah. This car so ready for real, huh?
Yeah, she ready to go now.
What size lips these is, you say?
7.
See, they look bigger than 7. Oh, that's so clean. I like that color.
Good. Hey, the wheels 20 by 11. They, them the ones you sent me, like a couple days ago on the car. That's what they fitted doing now. No, because they look the same. That's why I said they ain't gonna work. Okay. Okay, I mean.
Begin to run. Them Chevy's riding all night long. You wouldn't know it from the outside, but the inside is like a luxury ride. A real player don't need all that attention. We ain't jumping this game, can't spend no cost. Interior, main jobs, dual exhaust. Shit gotta be tight off from wall to wall. Run the grill, door knobs, emblem. Been a few corners, holler at the crew. So you better watch out, Chevy boys coming through.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped.